tech talk thingamajigger on on Shimejis.
Oh, cool.
There's these little dudes that'll walk around on your screen. Let me show you.
Ring, ring.
Ring, 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 ring. Banana phone.
They found me. Oh no.
Yeah, they found it.
It's still installing. Or just wait for it.
Okay.
It's still installing. Just give it a second there.
Okay.
You see at the bottom there?
Installing.
Just wait
Why
for
you
it.
take so long?
I'll just wait for it.
There you
Oh. It.
go.
Yay.
And it should say it's ready. There you go.
Why is they so big? There's a bunch of them. And wait a second, and
And dramatic music.
dun, dun. There we go.
Oh.
Chill.
Hey,
Yes.
is that you?
No, I'm not
There's
chill.
little characters that walk around on your screen. You can drag them around.
Oh, for
Ow! The wind's got me.
And
Oh,
It's a monkey!
it's on the side of the screen.
Spot, jump,
Oh, it fell.
spot, jump, whatever.
They're-
Spider-Man does.
They're from all kinds of things. There's actors, various ones like this is Chell from Portal. This is Sosuke Aizen from Bleach. They'll do all sorts of things. If you tell them to, they will follow your mouse, which is the second option. Yes, he follows you in a teacup,
Okay.
and then he will just randomly sit down. I don't know what Chell does.
So you can
You
get
better
Mr.
sit
T
down.
on there?
She just followed.
Possibly.
And I think she fell.
She fell
He
through the screen.
followed me. And they're really easy to find. You go to whatever website you like using. I'm going to just use a DeviantArt one, probably.
As they're walking.
Hey,
Shall we
now there's two
Oh.
of them.
By the way, they can clone themselves.
Oh, great.
Woohoo!
Now they're both sitting.
Can you make your own?
Yes.
Yes.
I think it's pretty easy.
I don't know how, but you can.
I found tutorials on DeviantArt. I feel smart now.
Ah.
Hey, Alex, no finding out what her password is.
Just edit that part.
You can't even see it.
You saw nothing.
You hacker, you.
Some person on YouTube's gonna be like, oh, you know the password to their library.
So what's the purpose
Yeah.
of these little guys?
None at all.
They basically just walk around on your screen. If you have the window minimized, occasionally they will try to chuck it off your screen. I'll just keep it small for that reason.
So they're like your annoying little brother.
That
Or
walk around
sister.
on your computer
Or
screen.
sister. I have a sister.
Your
She's
sister?
very annoying.
Let's see which one comes up. Ones come up.
I see stalking.
I see Pikachu.
Pikachu, the annoying Grunny.
What?
You know what?
What happened?
So how do you pronounce the name?
What happened?
Shimeji? I'm pretty sure you say it Shimeji.
Shimeji.
You bad.
Shimeji.
Shimeji.
Oh my god, toothless!
Let's